Egg fried rice, don't be afraid. Egg fried rice is one of the very first things I learned to make, and it was probably the start of my culinary education. Growing up, my mom was really busy with work, so oftentimes my sister and I had to fend for ourselves. And one of the first things she taught us to make was egg fried rice. So today I want to show you my mom's recipe, and it's real simple, okay? So first thing you're gonna need is overnight rice. You're gonna need some preserved sausages, okay? And this I definitely will not skip out on because this is sort of the secret ingredient that gives it that delicious umami flavor. And then you're gonna need peas, okay? You're gonna need 4 eggs. You're gonna need about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, okay? And you're also going to need some chicken powder and some white pepper. Then you're also gonna need a little bit of soy sauce for color, and that's it. So let's get started. If you don't have a wok like me, you can use a pan, or in my case, I'm gonna use my Dutch oven, okay? Sorry, I know it's shameful, but one day when I get a gas stove, then I'll get a wok. But right now we're gonna use a Dutch oven, and I'm gonna set it on to about a medium high. While I'm waiting for that to heat up, I'm just gonna prepare my garlic. And so you're probably gonna need about 3 to 4. But it's pretty much to taste. So if you like more garlic, then go ahead and put more garlic. If you like less garlic, then don't put as much. But definitely you need a little bit. And if you don't like garlic, well, I don't know what to tell you, but you really need it in this dish. That up real quickly. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up my sausages, and in my household when I was growing up, we always kind of cut them into a diagonal shape. For garnish. Now we have our mise ready, and we can go ahead and put a little bit of oil into the Dutch oven. And the first thing I'm going to actually put in is not the garlic, it's actually the sausage, because what I want to do is I want it to release all that delicious fatty goodness. I want it to release all those oils so that we can properly coat my rice later. And as soon as this starts to blister a little bit, it'll be ready. And then we can put in our other ingredients. Okay, you see how it's a little bit brown and blistered? Now it's time to put in our garlic. Okay, now we're gonna set the heat to high, and we're gonna dump in our rice. That up real quickly. now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a little well and I'm gonna crack my eggs. Just give that a mix. We're going to break that up and coat all the rice with it. This would be a good time to put in your powder and your pepper as well. The last thing is we're going to throw in our scallions or green onions. And if you like, you can add about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, light soy sauce, for a little bit of color. That heat and just kind of let it finish cooking. Okay, so I would recommend giving it a little taste test. I mean, if it's too salty, then you could probably add 1 more egg. If it's not salty enough, then just add a little bit of more chicken powder or soy sauce. Perfect. So good. Now, I know it doesn't look like much, but believe me, the taste is definitely there. And this is sort of like simple Chinese home cooking that you'll find in most Chinese families, households. And I mean, it's one of the things that I grew up with. It's so easy to make, so delicious, and it always brings me back to my childhood. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and be sure to click like and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.